Since humans have looked up at the night sky filled with countless twinkling stars, we have asked ourselves a very big question. Are we really alone in this vast universe? Or somewhere far away, among these stars and galaxies, does life exist? This is a question that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and storytellers for centuries. Just think. The universe is incredibly vast, so vast that it's hard to even imagine. And it is filled with billions and trillions of stars, many of which may have planets orbiting around them, just like our sun. Could it be that our planet Earth is the only place where life exists? Or could there be other worlds out there, filled with strange and wonderful creatures as we can imagine? Let's take a journey through the universe and explore the possibility that the universe itself might be something extraordinary. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Space Fact Fusion. When we look at the night sky, it's easy to think of stars as just tiny points of light. But stars are not small. They are massive balls of burning gas, much larger than our Earth. Actually, our sun, which gives us light and heat, is a very average-sized star. Now imagine, what if stars are more than just balls of gas? What if they are in a way like the cells in our body? Just like our body is made up of trillions of cells working together, maybe galaxies, that massive collection of stars, are like a living organism themselves. It's a mind-blowing thought, right? Thinking that the twinkling lights in the night sky could be part of something much bigger, something so alive on such a grand scale that we can barely comprehend it. So what exactly are galaxies? Imagine them as vast islands of stars, scattered in the cosmic ocean. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is one such island. It's a rotating disc-shaped collection of billions of stars, gas, and dust. And just like islands on Earth come in different shapes and sizes, so do galaxies. Some are spiral-shaped like ours, while others are elliptical or irregular, like cosmic clouds. But here's the interesting part. Galaxies are not randomly scattered. They are connected, interacting with each other in a delicate cosmic dance. This dance of galaxies makes the universe such a dynamic and ever-evolving place, and it could hold the key to understanding the universe's greatest mysteries, including the possibility of life beyond Earth. Let's go back to the idea where we see stars as cells. This idea is as simple as it is deep. Stars, like cells, are born, live, and eventually die. Their life journey is as complex and important as that of any living organism. They are constantly changing and evolving, fusing hydrogen into helium in their cores and releasing a lot of energy in the process. This energy not only keeps the star alive, but also impacts the space around it. This energy makes stars shine brightly and provides the light and heat necessary for the existence of life. At least the kind of life we know. Without stars, we would have neither daylight nor the warmth of the night. But here's an even more interesting point. The life cycle of stars is not limited to their birth and death. When stars die, they don't just disappear. Their death signals a new beginning. They explode in a magnificent supernova, scattering the elements they have created throughout space. This explosion is not only amazing to watch, but also results in the formation of new elements. These elements, formed in the hearts of dying stars, become the building blocks for new stars, planets, and perhaps even life itself. It's a continuous cycle that keeps the universe alive and dynamic. So in a way, stars are like the recyclers of the universe, constantly creating and spreading the material necessary for life to emerge. They reshape old elements into new forms and pave the way for new forms of life. They are essential for the evolution of the universe, just as our own cells are essential for our bodies to function and grow. This similarity between stars and cells helps us understand that we are all part of a larger, complex, and beautiful system. Part 5. Planets. Cradles for life. Now let's talk about planets. These amazing celestial bodies scattered across the vastness of our universe could be potential cradles for life. Planets like our Earth orbit stars. These planets, revolving around their respective stars, can provide the necessary conditions for life. They are like small companions, caught in the gravitational pull of their larger stellar siblings. The diversity of these planets and their unique features can surprise us. While stars may be factories of elements, planets are potential cradles for life. They gather and preserve the essential elements needed for life. They provide solid ground, atmosphere, and liquid water, which are necessary for life to flourish as we know it. These elements are crucial for the development and existence of life. Just imagine, in our galaxy alone, there could be countless planets around billions of stars, and each planet could be a unique world in itself, each with its own unique atmosphere. Some planets might have mysterious gases in their atmosphere, while others might have conditions favorable for life. Some could be very hot, others very cold. This diversity in temperature opens the door to possibilities for different forms of life. Some might have dense, toxic atmospheres, while others have clear, breathable air. The possibilities are infinite. Each planet tells a unique story. And somewhere, on one of those planets perhaps, there might be life as we know it. Or maybe something beyond our imagination. Or life as we don't know it, evolving and flourishing in ways we can only imagine. This very thought humbles us before the vastness of the universe and its infinite possibilities. Part 6. Cosmic Connections. How galaxies interact. We've talked about stars and planets, but what about the bigger structures of the universe, like galaxies themselves? Are they just isolated islands in space? Or can they be connected to each other, affecting one another in ways we're just beginning to understand? Well, here's the surprising thing. Galaxies are not static. They are constantly moving, being pulled together by the invisible force of gravity. Sometimes, galaxies collide with each other in spectacular events that last millions of years. These collisions may seem destructive, and in a way, they are. But they are also incredibly creative. When galaxies collide, they trigger bursts of star formation, creating new generations of stars and potentially new planets where life could develop. Part 7. Galactic Ecosystem. A dance of creation and destruction. Think about Earth's ecosystems like jungles or oceans. These ecosystems are complex webs of life, where every living being plays an important role. These are complex webs of life, where different species interact with each other and their environment. The existence of each species depends on other species and their environment. A continuous cycle of birth, death, and renewal keeps contributing to the overall balance of the ecosystem. This cycle sustains life and keeps the ecosystem balanced. Now, imagine galaxies as vast cosmic ecosystems. These galaxies also interact with each other and their surroundings in complex ways. Stars are born, live their lives, and then die, enriching the universe with elements for the formation of new stars and planets. This process constantly changes the universe. Galaxies collide and merge, triggering new waves of star formation and shaping the structure of the universe. These collisions and mergers are an important part of the universe's evolution. This is a beautiful and complex dance of creation and destruction, a cosmic ballet that has been going on for billions of years. This dance reflects the continuity and changeability of the universe. And just as life on Earth is interconnected and interdependent, perhaps the same is true on a galactic scale. Galaxies and stars depend on each other, being part of a vast cosmic ecosystem. Part 8. As we know life, a tiny part of something bigger? We humans are just beginning to understand the vastness and complexity of the universe. We have made incredible progress in our understanding of the universe, but there is still so much to learn. The idea of the universe as a living organism might seem strange, even impossible at first. But the more we discover about the interconnected nature of the universe, the more it seems that everything is linked in ways we never imagined. Perhaps, just as our bodies are made up of trillions of cells working together, we are all part of something much larger, a cosmic organism that encompasses everything in existence. Maybe, just maybe, life as we know it is indeed a tiny part of something grand and awe-inspiring. Part 9. Universe. A living organism? So is the universe a living organism? We still don't have a definite answer. But the more we explore the universe, the more we realize how much we don't know. The universe is filled with wonders, filled with mysteries that are yet to be uncovered. Maybe one day, we will have the knowledge and technology to give a definite answer to this question. But for now, the possibility remains, a tantalizing thought that sparks our curiosity and fuels our desire to explore the universe and our place within it. What do you think? Could the universe be living? It's a question worth pondering as we continue our journey of discovery among the stars.